Hi, my name is Ryan Malonzo. I'm a customer success manager for onboarding here at Sprout Social. Today, I will provide you additional insights on how to gamify the employee advocacy experience for our users to improve the tool's utilization. To get started, let me first tell you why it is highly recommended to incentivize our team members for sharing the stories we create using your advocacy tool. This encourages our users to be more proactive and also engage whenever there is a new story to share. Rewarding highly engaged employees gamifies the experience and gives them additional reasons to post. This can be monetary or price based. It can be as simple as a gift card or your highly coveted company swag, because who doesn't love your company shirt and coffee mugs, right? Now you can run a monthly or quarterly competition. You can also do a team contest or you can rank them individually. The goal is to motivate the team to share those well created posts to their own social profiles, turning them into real ambassadors of our brand. The first step that we need to do is to make sure that our users have a way to visualize where they rank among the competition. This will definitely help get the competitive juice flowing among our team members. You can enable your leaderboard view via your company settings and by going to the reporting section. Just make sure that the toggle button is enabled to see the leaderboard. Once enabled, your user will now have access to the leaderboard view via the Reports tab. The next step is to set up your leaderboard metric. Ideally, we want to start measuring the share counts, but if you feel that everyone is already sharing your stories, then we can change it to a different measure of success. It's up to you whether you want to change the metrics every now and then or just keep tracking their number of shares. Depending on the size of your employee advocacy team, you can also change how it looks like from the leaderboard. So you can adjust the numbers of readers that can be shown on your leaderboard via this drop-down option. Also, you can exclude team members based on teams. Ideally, we want to reward our frontliners or basic users, but it's totally up to you if you want to exclude your leadership or admin team. Once everything is set up, don't forget to click on the Save button right here to make the changes active. There you go. Now you can go back to your Reports tab, check on your leaderboard, and there you have it. Again, we highly suggest gamifying your users' experience by rewarding highly engaged users to keep them motivated and proactively sharing stories from the employee advocacy tool. As a result, you will notice a significant increase in utilization, resulting in a huge boost on your brand awareness. Thank you for tuning in today. We'll see you again next time.